how to recover delete message on Messenger. So if you want to recover deleted messages on Messenger, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to open up your Messenger application. After that, go with your menu, which is on the bottom right, and then go with settings and tap on Account Center. Scroll down and go with see more in Account Center. And now scroll down again and go with your information and permissions. Tap on access your information. Or you can also go with download your information and then tap on download or transfer information. Select your Facebook, go with next, and then tap on specific types of information. We only want messages, right? So just go with specific types of information and then scroll down and only select messages. Once you've selected, tap on next, tap on download to device, go with the date range. I'll select last week, go with save, and then go with the notification email and format, and then your media quality. And once you've done, you need to go with create files, and within a few hours, you'll receive a file ready to download. You'll find the file right here under this download your information page. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.